friend, this is Chantal Ponce. Last week we had a wonderful time and talking about how to enhance your natural beauty and fixing your hair, doing different style throughout the holidays. And this week is going to be again the hair marathon, but this is going to be all about hair coloring technique, weaving, and low lighting, and doing this formula so you can achieve the best result that suits your desire. You know, my friend, that my YouTube channel is all about how to enhance your natural beauty. But how to enhance your natural beauty is not me telling you what you should do or what you should not do if you want to enhance your natural beauty by chemical enhancement. What I mean about that is having some chemical procedure and chemical surgery, such as facelift, Botox, or filler. This is your beauty, and your beauty, my friend, belongs to you, not to anybody. No one should tell you what to do on how to do. I'm only here to give you my professional advice on how to enhance your natural beauty, utilizing some different hairstyle or different haircut. And this week is going to be all about hair coloring technique, such as weaving, ombre, shadow roux, smudge shadow, and I will go over each one and explain what they do and what you should look for in the future. But before we begin, my friend, I want to share something with you. You know, when you enhance your natural beauty, you want to be unique. When you create something, you want to be unique. And especially in the beauty industry and in the hair industry. The only way you're going to be famous, or the only way you're going to be the number one, is not because you replicate somebody else's look, replicate somebody else's intonation or hair color or haircut. That doesn't mean that you should not enjoy if you see something that you like. What I mean about that is when you replicate someone to the point that you mimic every single aspect of what you saw or what you read. For example, you don't want to go and enter a party and someone facing you and looking exactly like you. You want to be unique. You know how often I heard about men say, oh, this is so much like her. Why? Because it was unique. It was the dress that she wore. It was the blouse that she wore, maybe the perfume, maybe the style. And that is what it's important when selecting something that suits your perfect image. It is okay to share. It is okay to mimic it when you first enter the beauty industry of the hair business. But what made Vidal Sassoon is because he had a different technique than Paul Mitchell. When you put Paul Mitchell and Vidal Sassoon, they have a different technique, both of them. And I can go on and on with José Ibert. And yes, I do concentrate on the French because we are the best when it comes to style, beauty, cut, and anything that has to do with beauty. But what I want to tell you, my friend, is you want to be you. So whatever style you choose, whatever cut you choose, don't listen to someone who's going to tell you that is out of date. If it fits you, if it suits you, if you feel good about this haircut or this hairstyle, then it is you and it belongs to you. My friend, your beauty only belongs to you. So this week is all about hair coloring technique and what to do to enhance your natural beauty. So let's go on with the show, my friend. By the way, my friend, this is not a different hair color. No, I did not change my hair color. This is a wig, but I want to share with you, if you like this wig and if you like the length, and of course they have more than one color, I will link everything below for you. So yes, this is what I love doing. I love to change, and I don't have to change permanently. I like to change temporarily, and the wig are the perfect way to go, my friend. So let's go on with the show. Low light. And this color corrective, I will be doing two different techniques. One is going to be a low light, and another one is going to be a smudge all the way down to the end. And I will be utilizing two different sunny, Mojave, Soleil. We're going to be doing a reverse low light to preserve the hair from all this bleaching, so the customer will not have to do any more bleach and it will naturally go back to its natural state. But that is going to take quite a bit of time. You have to do probably 2 or 3, maybe 4 reverse weave, and then you will see the result. Right now we're just doing a reverse weave, and we're doing this reverse weave back to a natural color. Now we don't have the exact color that we need. This is a level 6A, but we have a level 7G, and we're going to do without, to tone it a little bit and to give a little bit more the contrast, and that is going to revive the, with this white. This is a level 9 in here, so that's gonna give a little bit more depth and a little bit more luminosity. We'll just have one weave here, one weave here. We're gonna have to put a little bit more weave on the side here, 2 more here, and here, and here. And that's called a reverse healthy weave. That means that we are taking a darker color, but I suggest so the client does not want to weave in a reverse weave. Eventually, to color back to the whole thing together, which is going to do 6A right here. We're going to do some weave right here, and so we do this very progressively with all combination of clarifying shampoo, going to turn around and shampoo, all the treatment that I'm going to be recommended to clients. So eventually this is going to be looking much more light. Big chunk. Let's see how we'll do it. Oh, this, and then I have to do it sideways. That's not. The big chunk. And the trunk a little heavy.
Yeah, I was just gonna say, I like the bangs to be a little more dramatic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like the way that it's bringing my natural hair color back.
See, it's already like grabbing it, because we deposit. We didn't left anything. We deposit, and this is the closest one to your side that we put the little bit of low light, and then we have the corrective hair color all over. I have a level 9N from Goldwell and 10 GB. So they are both mixed with 20 volume peroxide. Yes. For the comb in here and do the reverse like this, because you're doing it by yourself. You want to reverse. When you do a full yarn or weaving, you want to see some one, but I'm showing you the technique in here that this is great. You don't have time, but you feel like your hair is a little bit dull. Well, that's what you want to do. Just put a little bit on the top, a little bit to the side. Now this is the final look, and you see that it was just touching the bottom, just the bottom. So that was very easy. Foil over here, one here, a few here and there. And again, you are in charge of your own beauty, and you decide where do you want to put your low light or highlight to sparkle and to rejuvenate your beauty. Now this is the final look, and you see that it just rejuvenates the color more light. It didn't change the color, it just rejuvenates and brown. It rejuvenates the color. See over here, there's no gray. And there's rejuvenate the color. So that's what you want to do when you don't want to have to do your whole entire hair color. I want to thank everybody who watched the video all the way through, and I hope you have learned something that was beneficial to you. And please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to give a like if you like this kind of video. Leave me a comment below and tell me what have you learned, what did you like, and what would you like to see next on my prochaine vidéo. This is Chantal Ponce. Au revoir, merci et à très bientôt. Merci.